Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Ascent. This is the work site we're looking at on Oxford Road. That blue building to the right and that orange building straight ahead, those buildings are to be demolished. They are part of the construction site. This area has already been cleared, but it seems as if this project is moving very slow. As a matter of fact, I think it's safe to say it has not even started. Now, the Ascent is to be a 27-floor building. It got approval in February 2023. They got approval to build it. Now, a lot of people are looking forward to this building because it would have been the tallest building in Jamaica at 27 floors when it was approved. The Rogers is now the tallest building at 20 floors, and before that, the Pegasus at 17 floors was the tallest building. But the Ascent, when built, will be the 5th tallest building in Jamaica, because as you can see, everywhere you look in Jamaica, there is some sort of major development. And there is a project or a development in Montego Bay called the Pinnacle. They are not building one building at 28 floors. They are building 4 towers at 28 floors. So all 4 will be taller than the Ascent if the Ascent is ever built. And when built, it will be the 5th tallest building in Jamaica. Now, if the project had started in February last year, it would have held the title, this building, the Ascent, would have held the title as tallest building in Jamaica until the Pinnacle. Those towers were built, but the Pinnacle has started construction and they are moving much faster than, I'm not even sure if anything is going on at this site. Nothing of major, the Pinnacle will be finished before this building. So, but the Ascent at 27 floors is going to be a mixed use building, some residential, some commercial. And I think I heard something about a hotel. I'm not 100% sure. But they haven't even fully cleared the construction site yet. And if you notice, they can literally just walk onto the construction site. There is no security. A lot of the zinc that was put up is now missing. This tractor is just parked here. So we'll definitely keep you guys updated on this one because I really hope they build this building. It will definitely add to the skyline in New Kingston. But they haven't gotten started yet. And if anybody knows what is going on, what is causing this, why they haven't started construction, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll keep you guys updated on this project. We'll give you videos probably every month. And when they actually start construction, we'll give you videos every 2 weeks. That building straight ahead to the left, that's the One Belmont building. It's actually finished and persons have started to move in. Very, very nice building. Alright guys. Oh, the reason why I pointed out One Belmont is because the contractor who built that building, we were told is going to be the one doing the Ascent. And back in February or sometime last year when we asked, we were told once they finished the One Belmont building, they would start this one. Well, the One Belmont building is finished. And this one hasn't started yet. But we'll keep you guys updated as we get more information. Alright guys. Have a good day. Straight ahead, those are the NCB towers. North Tower and South Tower. Alright guys, have a good day.